Today I want to talk about the best cryptocurrency exchanges for automated bot trading as we head into 2026, and really just giving you a breakdown of all the platforms and why automated bot trading is no longer optional but pretty much an imperative in 2026. Crypto markets are structured automatically, right? In terms of manual traders are competing against great bots, against market making algorithms, against funding arbitrage engines, and also AI driven execution systems, right? So the question isn't anymore why should I use bots, but it's pretty much which exchange actually allows bots to operate without friction, throttling, or silent failure. So many traders with bots and fail because not because the strategy is necessarily bad or the logic is in itself flawed, but because APIs can be unstable, rate limits are kind of hostile. And also, there's the rate limits there that you get sometimes, and fees that actually destroy high frequency edges, right? And exchanges that throttle or restrict automation during volatility. And today's guide is pretty much giving you the breakdown of what makes an exchange truly bot friendly. If you're an automated trader, you obviously know that you need a stable, well-documented API, high rate limits without aggressive throttling, predictive or predictable matching engine behavior, or fee structures that don't kill high frequency strategies, and support for sub accounts and key isolation, for example, tolerance for automation, also not silent restrictions, and reliable execution during volatility. And many exchanges quietly fail on 4 to 7 points, right? And we've ranked the bot exchanges today based on API uptime and latency and rate limits under load, right? And also order acknowledgement consistency. You also want to think about fee and rebate suitability for bots, right? So liquidity depth for automation, and also historical behavior during volatility, and support for grid, arbitrage, market making, and different kinds of bots, and also freedom versus restrictions on automation. So platforms that are suitable for continuous unattended execution are the ones that made the list today. Let's get into it. The first one on our list, OKX. Check out the link down below. Check out the links to all the platforms here so you can get discounts and bonuses and rebates and lower fees. But OKX is ranking one on our list today because it's the best overall exchange for automated bot trading, best balance for API reliability, and also capital efficiency and bot freedom. OKX takes the spot number one for 2026, not because it's the biggest, but because it's the most structurally friendly to automation. OKX exceptionally stable REST and WebSocket APIs, predictable rate limits, and portfolio margin support as well. Huge for bots, right? Competitive fee and rebate structures, and strong tolerance for automated strategies. Unlike some exchanges, it does not aggressively interfere with grid bots or funding arbitrage or systematic market making. So the best bots to try on OKX: delta neutral bot, funding rate arbitrage bot, multi-paid grid systems, and portfolio level automated strategies. So get started and make sure you're winning. OKX Bybit is number 2 best for perpetual and grid bots, guys. People love these bots because it's fast order routing here, responsive WebSockets, strong perp liquidity on Bybit, and also excellent bot compatibility. There are a little bit of limitations when it comes to funding rates, which can swing aggressively and less capital efficient than OKX. But MEXC is number 3 on our list with zero fee bot. Pretty much the playground for that, and zero maker fees on many markets, which is absolutely incredible. Aggressive fee promotions, as well as just broad altcoin coverage. Pretty much the most comprehensive altcoin exchange, which is kind of in the top tier with good API performance, grid bots, market making, high frequency altcoin systems. MEXC hyperliquid, best on-chain exchange for bots. Also order book DEX model here, near instant execution for on-chain traders, no KYC, no custody risk, and transparent matching and liquidation. So some people like to do automated trading on Hyper. Binance is number 5, powerful, increasingly restrictive in my opinion. but it has the best-in-class APIs, deepest liquidity, and negative maker fees at VIP tiers. So, you know, at the end of the day, you also have other platforms like XT, which is best for no KYC exchange, bot trading, smaller scale bots, privacy-focused traders love this one. K6 is another platform which is really good for entry-level bot testing. The links are all down below. So why most, like I said, traders lose money is because they over leverage or ignore funding or deploy bots on thin liquidity or assume set and forget works and choose exchanges hostile to automation. So that's why you got to stick with these exchanges, guys. Professional bot trading stack for 2026 is simple. Execution, OKX, Bybit, MEXC, on-chain, Hyperliquid, bots, 3 commas, Hummingbot, custom Python, infrastructure, VPS, near exchange servers, monitoring uptime, failover tools. So best overall OKX, best for perp bots, Bybit, best zero fee, MEXC, best on-chain, Hyperliquid, and best large-scale bot trading, Binance. Non-KYC bots are on xt.com. Check out the link to the full review on our main site and check out the links to all these platforms. Get started with your automated trading and happy days, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.